Ficus Benjamina. Welcome to our channel, AU. Today we're diving deep into one of the most popular and beloved ornamental plants, the Ficus Benjamina, or simply the ficus. Let's explore all the intricate details about this amazing plant. Ficus Benjamina is known for its slender, glossy leaves and belongs to the Moraceae family. Plant history: this plant is native to warm and humid regions of Asia and Australia and has been cherished as an ornamental and houseplant. No, Ficus Benjamina does not have flowers or fragrance. Flowering of Ficus Benjamina is not common in indoor conditions. When Benjamina is grown outdoors in conditions compatible with its native environment, it typically begins to flower in its second or third year. The tree itself becomes covered with small, pale yellow blossoms. These plants also produce edible fruits. The figs can be consumed raw. Once a Benjamina plant, Ficus Benjamina, starts fruiting, it will continue to do so for many years. And maintenance. Lighting: Ficus prefers moderate light and should be placed in an area with filtered sunlight. Ficus Benjamina thrives in light, but direct sunlight, especially if the plant is moved outdoors on hot summer days, can lead to burning and loss of leaves. It's best to keep it near a window and regularly rotate the pot so that its branches and leaves can benefit fully from indirect sunlight. Sap overpowering: keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Ficus Benjamina requires moderate watering. Refrain from watering it until the top 2-3 centimeters of the soil have dried out. Water the Ficus Benjamina with chlorine-free water at room temperature until the water drains from the bottom of the pot. Allow the soil to almost dry out between waterings. During the summer, water it twice a week, and during the winter, water it once a week. Fertilizing: use indoor plant fertilizer during the growing season. Temperature and humidity: optimal temperature ranges from 1825 Dead She with moderate humidity. Do not expose your tree to cold temperatures as it can lead to leaf shedding, and remember that this plant thrives best in humid climates. Propagation methods: this plant can be propagated through seeds or cuttings, with cuttings taken from healthy parts of the plant. Pests or diseases: Ficus Benjamina is susceptible to specific insects and pests. Below are some factors that may lead to problems in this plant. Shedding in Ficus Benjamina is entirely normal as long as it's consistent and doesn't involve a significant number of leaves. Leaf shedding may result from irregular watering, cold air, changing the pot or location of the plant, lack of light in its environment. In this case, provide more light, low humidity in the surrounding environment, increase humidity levels. Yellowing of Ficus Benjamina leaves: the leaves of Ficus Benjamina often turn yellow due to spider mite infestation. You can easily treat it with organic miticides. Avoid using other chemical products, especially for indoor plants. Formation of sticky white dots on Ficus Benjamina leaves. Often, mealybugs or scale insects cause these white sticky spots on the leaves of this plant. To get rid of these pests, it's best to use pesticides. Avoid washing the infested leaves with dish soap and water, as the chemicals produced may harm the plant. Whitefly infestation on Ficus Benjamina. To address this issue, wash your Ficus Benjamina in the shower. If you cannot move your ficus easily, spray its leaves once or twice a day to eliminate the whiteflies. Repotting. As the plant grows larger, it's advisable to transfer it to a larger and more suitable pot. Ficus Benjamina is a resilient and robust plant that can tolerate poor soil conditions, but it thrives in soil-rich and humus with good drainage. Slightly acidic soil with a pH range of 6 to 6.5 is suitable for its growth. You can use standard potting mix for planting it. Young Ficus Benjamina plants should be repotted annually, as they can grow rapidly and require more space for their roots. Mature plants require less frequent repotting, so consider repotting them every 2 to 3 years. Pruning. Ficus Benjamina enjoys the removal of old leaves and moderate pruning according to its maintenance space. It's best to prune during the fall and winter seasons. It is recommended to prune Ficus Benjamina once a year. Light pruning is sufficient, and there is no need for severe cutting of the plant. Pruning this plant helps with the density and beauty of its branches and leaves. Toxicity. It's essential to note that Ficus Benjamina is toxic to pets. Best indoor placement. An ideal location for this plant would be an area with moderate light and stable temperature and humidity levels. Ficus Benjamina is a suitable option for apartment and workplace environments due to its ability to purify the air and absorb positive energy. With these comprehensive insights, I hope to assist you in providing the best care for your Ficus Benjamina plant and enjoy its beauty to the fullest. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and best of luck!